Hello, my name is Fujino from OFCF Japan. I would like to introduce about the Species ID app that we developed recently for the Scombridae species in the Indian Ocean. So first, access this QR code. Then, if you find this kind of message showing up, just select discard. Now, first you will have a screen like this. So confirm the basic characteristics of the Scombridae, which is multiple finlets and rounded body cross-section. Then go to the first choice, which is observation of the head length to the body length. So, for example, if you have these kind of fish in front of you, you measure the head length and see how many times it is to the body length, and if it's like in this picture, close to like 4 times of the head length, you choose this characteristics. Then it will guide you to the next characteristics. In this case, it is the number of the lateral line. So check your fish. If you have 2 lateral lines, you click this. Finally, it will guide you to the identified fish with instruction of the characteristics that the fish has. Now, there are 3 attentions of the usage of the app. Once you get to the final screen, first is confirm your results with the indicated characteristics. 2 is if you're in doubt of the results, go back and check. 3 is carefully read the instructions. So I will show the example. So if the looking of the fish is seems to be correct, it's okay. But if you have like, oh, this might be different, go back to your choice. So you might have mistaken the number of the lateral lines. So you go back, chose a different choice, and follow the flows again. So you might observe stripes. Then you might observe the bending of the lateral line. Then it guides you to another species. So check the characteristics, and if the looking is similar to the fish in front of you, your former choice might be wrong, and this is correct. Finally, please carefully read the instruction, although there's an image. So you can observe the image, but please read carefully the sentence. Hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for your attention.